Right guys, just before I kick off today doing something else, I want to show you these sweet peas that Nia sent me. The ones on the left in the green cell 20 cell tray, and the ones in the Germie trainer. Well, look at the difference. I mean, they were all sown on the same day, same compost, same watering, same light conditions, but those ones, they're like, I don't know, 50 mil higher, 40 mil higher. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Well, yeah, I gotta say that's a double thumbs up for those Germie trainers. Brilliant. Right, one of the things I'm going to do, is why I mention it, is I'm going to start potting some of these on today. Not quite sure what to use yet. I'm still scratching my head, so to speak. Right, I mean, that's... I can't begin to... I mean, the tops of the pots are the same level, look. Isn't that weird? How the growing container can make that much difference.